Whispers from the Brighter World, beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj. Sunday, March 18th, 2001, 10 a.m. Extend these special moments when your soul exults. Be carried away by this powerful wave. It reinvigorates your entire being. Even your physical body is being regenerated. Profound meditation is the best food for man and the subtlest one. Each one of its cells aspires to bathe in this redeeming wave. This expectation of the soul must be met. Every day, its life is anchored in this process. It is in need of such a process. Do not resist it. Let yourself be carried away by this power of love which is in you and which calls you intensely. We would like to let you taste these blessed moments when the Creator subjugates His creature. Think of the way you are going, plunged in the heart of your sadhana, surrendered to the spiritual power of your Master. He knows how to lead you to this water point through successive steps, dropping your human characteristics, your ego, to only be soul divested of the obstacle and thirsting for love. On the restful Sunday, when the noises of the city die down and let you enjoy much more time to be in your own presence, may you find peace and joy to search it in view of better connecting to Him. Babuji Maharaj. Monday, March 19th, 2001, 8 am. Search and see only the beauty in man and around you. Do like the lotus which grows up towards the light, disregarding the mud from which it emerges. By seeing only beauty, you make the world progress. To see it in the image of the Creator results in giving it a chance to change. Men suffer on this path of slavery where they are advancing. Do they call God in their heart and long for His grace? Each soul is ready to receive it. One blessed moment is enough for everything to change radically. One should not despair of humanity. It is changing in its own way. Life is tough here below. Call in you this new stage when all your brothers and sisters will advance together on the earth and in the same direction. This dream is not utopian. To God, nothing is impossible. Imagine, create in you as you please this future world where men will respect what surrounds them, their fellow creatures, and the whole of creation. This time will come in a very distant future. Circumstances will take place whereby human beings will finally understand that only that which is sowed can be harvested. Babuji Maharaj.